Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Access Chapter 1 Grader Cap Assessment. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 8 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this for proper view. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Access Chapter 1 Grader Cap Assessment. Here is a project description. As you can see that in this project you will open a database containing the inventory of a coffee shop, create a new table in which to store the sales representatives information, and then add the sales repository records. You add a new product using a form and print a report. You apply a filter by selection and sort query, and then you apply a filter by form to a table. You save both filters. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start access, open and download the access file name exp25 access chapter 1 cumulative Latte Delights Inventory. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 access chapter 1 cumulative Latte Delights Inventory from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: add the following records to the sales reps table, letting access assign the sales rep ID. Here are the record: last name, first name, address, city, state, and zip. Now you will go to the table, sales reps table, go to the file, sales rep table, double click on this. And then you will have to add the record in this. Copy the last name, and the first name is, copy the city name and add into this. Now you will have to add the second record, add this one. Simply you will have to copy and paste the records in the required fields. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grades in all your assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises for a complete course. Then last copy the zip code. And the last part is close the table. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is open the customer's form. In the form view, use search locate to record for Baker Auto Supply. First you will have to open the customer form in the form view. Click on customer form. Double click on this to open this form and then use the search locate for record for Baker Auto Supply. Now you will have to search this record Baker Auto. You will have to use the search record this one. Click on the search button to search the record Baker Auto Supply. Baker Auto Supply, and then modify the record so that the address one will display this record. You will have to copy this address and then paste into the address one field. And save and close the form. Right click on this to save this form and then right click to close this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is open the products form in the form view, add new product. Access will automatically add the product ID, coffee, Arabica premium. The description is here. The cost $13. Just enter 13, no dollar sign. The markup percentage is 100%. The brand is premium and the year introduced is 2024. Save the new record and close the form. The first part of this question is open the product form in the form view. Product form, double click on this and open this form in the form view. Then add new product. Access will automatically add the product ID. Now you will have to add a new product. Copy this product name. Then you will go to this form and then click on this button to add new record. Click on this button and paste the product name coffee Arabica premium, and the description is 24 by case pre ground 1.5 75 OZ bags. Copy this. Copy this bags. And cost is $13. Simply you will have to put only 13. Cost is $13. And the markup percent is 100%. Copy this percentage, 100%. Here is also markup percent is 100%. And the brand is premium. You will have to select this brand premium. And the year introduced is 2024. 2024. And save the record and close the form. Right click on this and save this form, then right click and close this form. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is that open the products report and check that the report contains the new product P0026 Coffee Arabica Premium. View the layout of the report in the print preview and then change the page layout to landscape. Save the report and close the print preview. First, you will have to open the product report and check that the report contains the new product. This one. Go to the file, product report. And you can see that coffee Arabica Premium are here. And then view the layout of the report in the print preview and then change the page layout to landscape. Click on this view button and click on print preview button to view report in print preview. And change the page layout to landscape. Well, this is portrait and landscape are already selected. Select this layout, landscape. Save the report and close the print preview. First, you will have to save this report. Right click on this to save this and then right click again and click on close button to close this report. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is open the customers table, sort the table by customer name in ascending order, save the changes and close the table. Basically in this question you will have to open the customer table and then sort the table by customer name in ascending order. First you will have to open the customer table. Here is a customer table, open this one and then sort the table by customer name in ascending order. Customer name, select this in ascending order. Click on this, go to the home tab, go to the sort and filter group, then click on ascending order and then save the changes and close the table. Right click on this customer table, then save the changes and then again click on this and close this. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help With the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Stats, MyLab Economics, MyLab Stats, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.